Hello. Today's demonstration is of the ER15-216LI. This is a 3,300 pound capacity unit with 216 inches of lift height on a sturdy triplex mast. This unit also comes equipped with tilt, free lift, and side shift. The reach on this is 19.7 inches out with 45-inch forks. Now let me show you about the controls on this unit. So right here, we have our side shift control, our tilt control, and then these are synchronous proportional control valves. We have our forks raise and lower, and our reach. We also have our horn, our throttle toggle, our emergency belly button stop, and then on the back of the handle, we have our turtle function. Down here on the unit itself, we have our emergency stop, and then our battery discharge indicator right next to our key turn ignition. I'm going to show you a little bit about how this unit operates. As I said, the synchronous proportional control valve controls the forks to go up and down, and we can do that at varying speeds, whether we're moving slow or rather quick. We also control our reach this way, all the way out. We can go real slow back in or rather quickly. 2 degrees forward of tilt, 5 degrees back. Also equipped with electronic power steering. Very quick moving unit. Really tight turn radius, and reasonably priced. All you have to do to get one of these for your very own is to contact Ekko. You can do that by contacting us on our website, ekkolifts.com, or you can get a hold of us on social media. We are on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X. Or you can just come on down to our awesome warehouse here in Pomona, California, and see one for yourself in person. Have a nice day.